Good morning, students. Today is Monday, April 27th, and we have a few things for you to do today. So first thing, you are going to be watching a video called BBC Science Club, all about exploration. If you are logged into Pearson or the My Perspectives textbook already, I think clicking this link should take you there. However, if you are not already logged in, you need to go to Clever and click on the Pearson Realize and open up the book until you get to the home screen, which, oops, you don't want the teacher edition, student edition, which looks like this. Then you're going to go to the menu, the table of contents, Unit 5, whole class instruction or whole class learning, and BBC Science Club, all about exploration. And this is a video. You can kind of like hide the things. You can view full screen, and you'll need to watch this. Once you are done watching that, make sure you mark that as complete. Next thing you are going to do is draw a picture. So you are going to draw a picture that connects with the video that you just watched. It can be any style you choose, just as long as it connects to the topic of exploration and discovery in the past. Once you have drawn that picture, you're going to mark that completed. It needs to be colored. It needs to be detailed. It cannot just be a few like stick figure people or things like that. It needs to have some detail. And next thing, you're going to watch Mrs. Pomager talk about her example project. Once you're done, this is kind of just to show you what you need to be doing. You're going to mark that as completed once that's done. And then finally, the last thing you're going to do, Mrs. Pomager emailed you a link to today's Flipgrid that you're going to need to access. And then you are going to record a response that talks about the drawing you created. You can, again, use Mrs. Pomager's example as reference to kind of talk about or to understand what you need to talk about. And then once that Flipgrid is done, mark completed, and you're done for the day. So let us know if you have any questions. Join one of our drop-in meetings if you need to. Make sure you're ready to join your Zoom class if you have one with us today. And we will see you soon on Zoom. Have a good day.